Hello everyone, you're welcome to biology video lectures. I am Akirele Oladimiji Philip. It's so nice to be with you on the lecture today. So today we'll be talking about something a bit maybe new to a number of us, which will be Viriods and Prions, right? Don't worry about these two words. Before the end of the lecture, get to know what these two means, right? So what we try to achieve is that at the end of this class, you'll be able to know what a prion and what a virod is, right? Then the difference between prions and virods, then the economic importance of viroids and prions, right? Now this entity, I will start with virods. It sounds like virus, but it's not. They are actually much simpler than viruses. Yes. Now someone has once asked me, do we have anything smaller than virus? That is viroids. Now there's something called viroins. Now instead of having D, you have N there. That is an active virus that's already, an infective virus. It means this is a virus. Now when this virus become active, it is called viroins. Viroins. All right, let me see if we can write that there. Viroins. This is an active virus. All right, but what we're talking about here is not active virus, which is viroins, but viroids. They are much simpler than viruses. They are tiny naked molecules of small single circular RNA, only a few hundreds of nucleotides long. They are believed to have ability to catalyze excision from DNA, thereby destroying the chromosomal integrity of the cell they infect. They replicate by RNA to RNA transcription, like protein coding. They do not have capsid, so they don't have capsid. A normal virus will have capsid or outer envelope. In the case of virus, they don't have that, which makes them smaller. But like virus, they also reproduce in a living host, yes, but they don't have capsid. That's one thing you need to know that makes them simpler as compared to viruses. They are an important infectious agent in plants. So majorly the effect they wrought actually, or their harmful effect, is majorly targeted to plants. So you can see it here that these potatoes actually been infected by a potato spindle tuber viroid, all right, PSTV, all right, which is typically spread when the infected knives are used to cut healthy potatoes. All right, so you must have seen this before. I think I've actually seen this before too. So it's caused by viroids. All right, hope that's taken. Then the next one we look at is prions. These are proteinous infectious particles. All right, these are proteinous infectious particles. They are equally smaller than virus. They contain no nucleic acid. That's funny because they are proteinous in nature. Now they cause fatal neurodegenerative disease such as Kuru in humans. All right, and bovine, that's BSE, bovine spongiform encephalopathy in cattle, which commonly known as mad cow disease. Now this doesn't mean the cow will display madness. All right, I don't know why it's actually called that, but I think the cow tend to behave in coordination is affected. All right, basically in fact it forms holes in the brain of the affected animal. So in the case of humans, it causes muscle wasting. You can see this guy here has been affected with Kuru, and Kuru, as it were, is caused by prions. All right, so in the case of mad cow syndrome, can you see that cow trying to stand up? It causes some sort of weakening of the limbs. It causes muscle wasting, which means when the contraction and relaxation is damaged, that muscle becomes flaccid and weak and thin, basically. So these are the diseases. So prion is towards animals, not plants like viral is. And this is a proteinous particle in nature. You can see what it does to that cow there. You can see what it does to the man down here. All right, so let's quickly look at test ourselves of what we have learned. Okay, so state two differences between viroids and prions. Okay, number one is that viroids affect plants, while prions affect animals. All right, viroids actually have nucleic acid or nucleic acid, yes, while prions does not. All right, and viroids are, they have some nucleotide long. Prions are just proteinous particles. All right, hope that is taken. State one disease each caused by viroids. Okay, viroid causes the potato spindle, PSTV, that's potato spindle, I can't remember that word, viroids. All right, which affect, the, can actually rewind the video together please. Then the prions causes kuru or BS, which is spongiform, bovine spongiform encephalopathy in cow. All right, hope that is taken. All right, please check that up, that PSTV. I'm very sure of that acronym. All right, I can just remember what that T stands for. Right, and that will be all for now on viroids and prions. I hope you now know that we have something smaller than viruses, which are now prions and virus. Thank you for being with me on the lecture. Feel free to drop your comments.